Well, hi folks, this is Darren with My RV Works, and normally we do live streaming on the first Friday of every month. And so this August, which is the first Friday, would be August 4th. We're not going to be doing a live stream on the 4th. We're going to be bumping it a week to August 11th at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. So August 11th, Friday, 4:30 p.m. Pacific time is when we'll be doing our live stream. So in the meantime, between that week, we do have a new sister channel with T3 Interface. We'll make a link to it below, and you can check out some of the new videos that we've put on our T3 Interface channel. So we look forward to seeing you on Friday, August 11th at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. And in the meantime, go check out our new playlist over on our T3 Interface sister channel. All right, hope to see you guys then. Bye.